Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel Rider Insane. So yeah, I am shooting this video from my new phone, that is a OnePlus Nord, and I have changed the video settings. So right now I am using the 4K at 30 FPS for the front camera, and same settings is applied for the back camera, which you saw just moments ago was the same 4K at 30 FPS. And there is one more setting, that is the 1080 पिक्सल्स एट 60 FPS। तो वो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया क्योंकि यही मुझे बेटर लग रहा है, बिकॉज इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन भी बेस्ट है। So the reason I am shooting from OnePlus Nord, I am not using the GoPro just to check the video quality कि अगर मैं settings change करता हूँ तो उसका video कैसा आएगा। And after editing the video on the software which I use, that is the Premiere Pro, तो YouTube पे अपलोड होने के बाद ये वीडियो कैसा दिखेगा, मतलब इसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है कि नहीं, इज़ इट रिलायबल फॉर मी जब मेरा GoPro when the GoPro is not available or if the GoPro is giving me some problems, so should I depend on this phone for my further vlogs। तो इसलिए मैं ये सब टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ। एंड द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद टूडेज वीडियो वुड बी, इसमें माइक्रोफोन नहीं है, क्योंकि माइक्रोफोन तो मैं लगा सकता हूँ लेकिन इट डजंट हैव द 3.5mm जैक, सो आई कैन नॉट यूज़ द माइक्रोफोन। दो right now the currently inbuilt microphone is being used, so I'm not sure about the audio quality, but जैसे मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके मैं एक बार चेक कर रहा हूँ तो इट सेम्स लाइक द वीडियो एंड ऑडियो इज़ ओके, नॉट सो प्रॉब्लम। देखते हैं अभी। जैसे कि मैंने मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में कहा था कि माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो वुड बी ऑल्सो अबाउट द अनबॉक्सिंग। येस, द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट हैव अराइव्ड, सो लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू सम क्विक ब्रीफ अबाउट दैट प्रोडक्ट। द प्रोडक्ट इज लाइक Huami Amazfit स्मार्ट वॉच। या मुझे काफ़ी महीनों से स्मार्ट वॉच लेना था, लेकिन मेरा बजट प्रॉब्लम था, और अभी बिग बिलियन डेज एंड ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल चालू है फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन पे। आई थिंक फ्लिपकार्ट पे अभी एक्सटेंडेड है 13 तक। सो आई गॉट अ प्रीटी गुड डील, सो मैंने परचेस कर लिया। और वो कल नहीं परसों डिलीवर हुआ, लेकिन कल कुछ रीजंस के लिए मैं शूट नहीं कर पाया। सो राइट नाउ आई एम शूटिंग दैट। एक्चुअली मैंने वो वॉच यूज़ करना स्टार्ट भी कर दिया, सो फॉर यू गाइस कि अनबॉक्सिंग उसका कैसा है, तो मैं उसके लिए एक अनबॉक्सिंग का वीडियो बनाऊँगा। सो let us go and check the watch। The reason I'm wearing this sweater because मुझे ठंड लग रही थी। I have some weak neck, मुझे कल से थोड़ा weakness है। Not to worry that the temperature is going below day by day in Nasik, so that's the reason, just taking precautions, nothing more than that। So in this box I have received the Huami Amazfit watch, so let's just quickly unbox it। First time I'm doing this by using cutter। ठीक है, actually I have already unboxed it, but for you guys let's do the unboxing again because I was so excited to use that watch। कोई नहीं चलता है यार, डबल ऐसा रैपिंग था इसमें। just keep this aside। Box quality is good। Amazfit build, it has a built-in GPS, so the features displayed over this I can just read for you। So it has a ammo LED display, then continuous heart rate detection, water resistance up to 50 meter I think, then multi-sports modes, long lasting battery। The company has claimed a 24-day running battery, but that will vary according to your use। if your use is heavy, then it will definitely drop down from 24 to 15 or 20, but 2 weeks battery life is more than enough। Then smartphone notifications, that if you get a call you will be notified on your watch, then your WhatsApp messages, your Instagram messages, Instagram notifications, YouTube notifications, Skype notification, etc. Nothing much more here। let's just quickly open। okay, one more box inside। actually ये वॉच पे था तो ये मैंने निकाल दिया। you can see the watch is already on because I was using it yesterday। excitement level बहुत ज़्यादा था इसलिए मैंने यूज़ कर लिया। So the build quality is awesome. There are two buttons. I think this is the on off button and this is, I don't know, yeah, कुछ तो functions मतलब function के लिए ही है. The build quality of this strap is also good. You can see green light, that is the heartbeat monitoring system. That's why the lights are blinking. So it has a continuous heartbeat tracker, and yeah, it's nice. So let's just keep this aside. It has got a charger in it. You just have to place your watch on this and just plug in this to any USB adapter and get it charged. Pretty simple. So pretty simple in looking. The quality looks premium, and let me just show you some features. This is the skin. This is the skin which I have selected for now. It shows the digital watch, then which week you are, then distance traveled by you today, then the steps covered, then 94 is the beats per minute of your heart, and calories you have burned today and the date. That's it. The temperature is also shown over here, but I think it is not showing right now. I don't know why. So that is your heartbeats per minute, your steps, your distance, your calories burned, and again this, if you swipe it down, then you can get to know the weather and the battery percentage. Now the battery is 66%. When I received this watch, it was about 70% battery left. So the battery backup is good since it is more than a day, like more than 24 hours. Only 4% has used. Then here is a torch in case for emergency. Then here is the brightness level. You can increase or decrease the brightness. Then here is your enable TND, means if you are sleeping or if you are in a meeting, you will not get notifications on this watch. This is your battery saver, and this is the lock. Okay, and if you swipe from down to up, you will get the menu over here. The scrolling behavior for this menu is smooth, not as that smooth as compared to the higher range smartwatch, but yeah, it is manageable. Status, PAI, I don't know what the PAI is about. Then heart rate, workout. If I select the workout, then it will again ask me for outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, open water swimming, and blah 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 blah. So there are a lot of options for the workout. And if you select activities, yeah, so I have done already a cycling activity yesterday. So it was about 23.54 kilometers in 1 hour 22 minutes and 45 seconds. Actually इतना टाइम नहीं लेता हूँ, लेकिन ठीक है, ट्रैफिक था क्योंकि मैं पीक ट्रैफिक टाइम पे गया था. Please check more workout record on app. Yeah, so you have to connect this app. You have to connect this watch through an app. So when you first boot up this watch, it will show an QR code, and from that app, the app name is Zep, and from that app you have to scan that QR code so that your watch will get paired with your mobile phone. So Apple step to pair your watch with your mobile device. Then again it is weather. The weather is 14 degrees minimum and 30 degrees maximum. It is also showing the wind, humidity, and the graph is there like 16:19. Like the sunrise time was 16:19 and the sunset time is around 17:37. Okay, and the upcoming, it also shows you the upcoming weather. बहुत फीचर्स है. फ्राइडे का अननोन है, ठीक है. And also you can control your music if you are listening to music from your phone. Right now it is showing no music is playing, but if you connect, all the song details will be displayed in this part, and you can play, pause, or forward the track or reverse the track from here. And again, alarm, event reminder. Even if you have, so I have set a 6 a.m. alarm, and at 6 a.m. it just vibrates if you're wearing the watch. Event reminder is also there. In more, it has compass, timer, countdown, find mobile. If you don't remember where you have kept the mobile, you can just click on this and you will get a call. Not actually a call, but your phone will start ringing on your default ringtone, so that you will be able to track where is your phone. And some simple settings: screen on duration, quick startup, always on display, and system, about, regulation, reboot, shutdown, factory reset. So yeah, a lot of features in this small smartphone. More than 20 skins for this watch. You can select any one of them from the app, and it hardly takes 5 seconds to get reflected over here. So I hope you must have liked this video. I've kept it very short and simple about the unboxing of Huami Amazfit smartwatch. Also, do let me know in the comment section if you're liking the video quality shot from this phone. That is the OnePlus Nord, because the whole this video is shot on OnePlus Nord. I have not used GoPro. सो जस्ट एक टेस्ट कर रहा था कि कैसा, मतलब ऑडियो क्वालिटी कैसा आएगा विदाउट माइक, वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसा आएगा एट 4K एट 30 FPS. सो आई थिंक द वीडियो क्वालिटी इज़ गुड, बट अभी पता नहीं एडिट करने के बाद यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करने के बाद वो कैसा डिस्प्ले होगा फ़ोन्स पे, टीवीज पे, टैबलेट्स पे. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर. So if the quality is good, I will continue to vlog from the phone, but before that I will have to arrange some setup, because right now I'm using the selfie stick. That is it is a normal selfie stick, and also I will have to purchase the type C to 3.5mm jack to connect the microphone, and after that the quality will match, the audio quality will be matched as per the GoPro. So ठीक है, वो सेटअप मैं जल्दी कर लूँगा, जब भी लूँगा मैं आपको बताऊँगा. So till then, you guys take care, stay safe, have fun, take care, bye bye. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel name is Rider Insane. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is abhilash_harsole and rider.insane. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.